Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Power BI turns 10 in July 2025, and in this podcast, we will talk about the amazing journey of Power BI from July 2015 to 2025. Happy 10th birthday, Power BI. Here is to many more years of innovation. Let's get started.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're looking at a pretty big milestone in business intelligence, Microsoft Power BI's 10th birthday, which is our mission is really to unpack how this tool has, well, completely transformed data analysis over the last decade. We want to give you a quick way to grasp its evolution and, what it means for your own insights.
Yeah, it's fascinating. What started as a, fairly specialized tool grew into this essential AI-powered platform that millions now use. It's more than just a tech anniversary, right? It's really a story about making complex data accessible and, frankly, powerful for everyone.
That accessibility is key, isn't it? Okay, so Power BI officially launched July 2015. It built on some earlier Microsoft tools, I think Power Pivot and Power Query and Excel.
That's right. Those were precursors. But Power BI quickly became this cloud-based, really user-friendly platform.
So what made it revolutionary right from the start? What was the big deal?
Well, from day one, it had these interactive dashboards, drag and drop visuals. It integrated smoothly with Excel, other Microsoft tools, and crucially allowed cloud-based sharing. It meant businesses, really of all sizes, could turn raw data into actual meaningful reports without needing, deep coding expertise.
Okay, so it democratized things pretty quickly, and it wasn't just the big companies jumping in.
No, not at all. That simple design, the powerful features, it quickly caught on with students, teachers, small businesses. It opened up data analysis to a much wider audience.
Right. And then came the free desktop tool around 2015 to 2017. That seems like a major step.
Absolutely. The free Power BI desktop authoring tool was brilliant. It offered basic charts, tables, dashboards connected to Excel, databases, cloud services. That free entry point, combined with ease of use, it just fueled incredibly rapid adoption. And that success naturally led to Power BI Premium for the bigger enterprises needing more scale and features.
So it expanded its reach. What happened next, say, 2018, 2019?
That was about broadening horizons. They added a ton more data connectors, so you could pull data from almost anywhere. And custom visuals really took off, allowing people to create very specific, unique charts beyond the standard ones. That versatility was key.
And all this led to it becoming #1 globally by 2020, overtaking established players like Tableau and Click. That's quite a climb.
It really was. And I think a huge part of that was the push into AI. This was the era of intelligence with AI.
Okay, AI, what did that actually look like in the tool?
It meant features like Q&A. You could literally type a question in natural language like, what were last quarter's sales? And get back a chart or an answer instantly. And smart narratives, which automatically generated text summaries of your visuals. Key influencers was another big one.
Yeah.
It helped pinpoint why metrics changed.
So it wasn't just showing data, it was helping interpret it, using AI to find the story.
Exactly. It saved analysts hours of digging. And this was all powered by deeper integration with Azure AI and automated machine learning, making prediction accessible too.
Wow. Then 2023, 2024 brought Copilot, the AI assistant.
Yeah, Copilot takes it another step further, helping you build reports just using simple text commands, like having an AI analyst right there with you.
How did all of this affect working together, collaboration?
Oh, massively. The integration with Microsoft Teams, with Excel, Azure, it cemented Power BI within that whole Microsoft Power Platform ecosystem, sharing insights, working on dashboards together, building data-driven workflows. It all became much more seamless.
Which brings us pretty much up to date. July 2025, the 10th birthday. It supports natural language, mobile layouts. Copilot keeps getting smarter, more AI insights, used everywhere.
It is over 190 countries, businesses, students, data enthusiasts.
So looking back, what really makes Power BI special today?
I think it's that combination. It's still easy to use, no coding needed for basics. It's intelligent with AI like Copilot. It connects to almost everything. The visualizations look great. And fundamentally, it lives up to its name, Power Business Intelligence. It gives power to your BI.
So you've really charted the journey there from a visualization tool to a full-blown AI-powered insights platform. It's changed how we see and use data.
Definitely. It helps turn those abstract numbers into clear, compelling stories that drive better decisions.
So as it heads into its next decade, what's the big question for users?
Well, the platform's not standing still, right? We'll see more AI, maybe enhanced mobile or even AR experiences, better data compliance features. So the question for you, the listener, is, With all these continuous innovations, how will you leverage Power BI to get even deeper meaning, more impactful stories from your own data?
A great question to ponder. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into Power BI's incredible first decade.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.